We worked on our attack and we prepared a flow which starts with an Excel file and continues a Petaq dropper which runs by Excel file. Then it includes the MC patch and runs it. Then it includes the Petaq implant and it lets it go to connect to the Petaq service. So this is a flow and we expected this to run flawless on the test system. But this time it is not test system. This is our production environment. The user is not dev, user is Greedo. So this Greedo user has received an email. Email is simulated because in real life we have to use several different servers and some additional ways to secure it as well. If it is an adversary simulation environment, we need to prepare an infrastructure with expired domains, with some additional email reputation, SPF and DMARC records set for it, or we should use a cloud email delivery service for it. To bypass all potential restrictions could be applied on the target organization. The target organization may have different controls. Spam control is one of those. Attachment control. File scanning services could be running in cloud in a sandbox, so the attachments will be sent there or emails. In addition, they may check the email reputation, content reputation, or the target audience for it as well. Several different steps sit there. To bypass this, slightly easier if we have any expired domain and built reputation. In this simulation, I only start with email delivered to the user mailbox. I made it an HTML file using Word. Both files are available on our desktop. And it simply starts with basic words. So it should pass through the security controls. If there is any security control replacing the links, that may be a trouble anyway. It says, "Hi Jack, I prepared the financial report for the end of the financial year, and it's on the link below. Apologies for delay. Please enable macro when open it. The numbers are dynamically calculated. Thanks." So Jack is the target user in this case, and actually this user will receive this email, and user will need to click this link. So I click this link in a different tab and wait for it. The link is unavailable because we have not started our .NET environment. Our .NET environment, the Petaq service, will serve this file under tools. So we expect this file will be served by our command and control. Let's try this again. This time it is downloading, also scanning, and it is now safe to run. So let's run it. Excel 2019, full patch and full secure. So we shouldn't trigger any alert. It says that the protected view, because if you need to enable editing, you need to do that, and you need to enable macro as advised in the email, because the numbers are dynamically calculated. So we may see these numbers wrong. I enable the content, and we expected something. That is what we received. As we can see, the delivery stage successfully run, and we have an implant. It doesn't trigger any alert here. It is scanned using Windows Defender, and Windows Defender is up to date, as well as virus protection is actually supporting the cloud services as well. These are the previous actions. And let's go to settings, and we can enable the auto sample submission as well whenever it identifies something bad. So everything is here. Intelligence update is there. but this doesn't change anything. Our Excel file has this macro, as I pointed out, and this macro does run things for us. And it is right here. And it is not exactly visible because the sizes of the rows are different. That's why it is quite convincing. Now we will move on with the other actions because now we delivered our payload to the target environment, and we will run each step against this target. Situational awareness, collecting some data, privilege escalation using UAC bypass, enabling Metasploit framework for some real-time actions, and maybe doing more. Let's move on with the new file and new video.